Okay, so we have finished our character. We've got some cool details like this toolbag, gloves, nice haircut with some details. One thing I don't like a little bit are these folds on our clothes, on his shirt and his jeans. I think they should be a little bit more defined. Now we will be creating low poly mesh, and then we will be baking our details to normal map. So I think this fold should be a little bit more defined to be more visible on our normal map. Of course we will be baking ambient occlusion that will help, but anyway I think they should be a little bit stronger. Anyway, I will leave them like they are right now, and we will see what kind of effect we will get after baking everything. So as I said, now we will be making a low poly mesh. This character right now has something around a few million polygons or points. Our goal is to make a poly mesh that we will be able to use in some kind of game engine, so it should be, in our case, something around 10,000 to 15,000 triangles. Of course it depends what kind of game are you making, so as I said in our tutorial, we will be trying to build a low poly mesh around 10,000 to 15,000. So to do this we will be using a program that is called Topogun, and this is a great tool for creating low poly mesh from high poly. Of course you can use another programs like Maya or 3ds Max. In Maya it's very uncomfortable, so I don't recommend doing it in Maya. 3ds Max has some new tool, I think, to do this, and people sometimes are making this process in 3ds Max, so you can try it, but I recommend really to use Topogun. It's very good and it works really well. So we will be finishing our low mesh in Maya, because in Topogun, even if it's great tool, we can't do everything, so we will be finishing our low poly mesh in Maya, then we will be making UVs in Maya, then we will be baking our normal map and ambient occlusion map in external program called Xnormal, and then we will be starting just texturing our character. So this is our plan for this part of modeling. It's everything I wanted to show you and explain. I hope you liked this part, and see you in next movies.